Okay guys, I have a slight disclaimer about the last video. I actually forgot to include the footage where I put my goggles on to fly the goblin. So that is what's going to be coming up right now. Oops. Well, it lived for another flight. And we have takeoff.
No, next one please.
First time trying FPV with the goblin.
How about you get warmed up? Get comfortable, please. Deep breaths. Definitely flying FPV.
Now it's the time that I've been dreading the whole
Yep.
time.
Do you want me to help or?
Where I have to take off the goggles and find the plane.
Okay.
You'll
Keep it
see
up.
how it goes.
Okay, you're fine. Calm down. No, I want you to go up, way more up. Okay, you ready? Right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I got it.
Cool. Good landing. Ooh, I don't like this.
Oh my god, I lost power.
Really?
Yeah.
So I completely forgot about me losing power this time flying the goblin. It just went out of my head because Kyle, my brother, he crashed a tiny trainer pretty bad, and I guess that just like made me completely forget about me losing power, and I only realized it until putting in this last clip and hearing me say, "Oh my god, I lost power." I just completely forgot about it. Well, I don't know what to say, but it's still flying now. Like I flew it like 3 times, never lost power. Whatever. So this is just a short update video showing that I flew the goblin with the goggles on. One thing I will add though is after flying with the goggles on for about 7 minutes, I found I got a bit unstable and I was losing my balance. The next time I fly FPV, I'll have to try flying in a chair. Maybe sometime later in the year, I'll do a quick update video on the goblin, like maybe the fuselage coming detached, but that's for a later video. Anyway, thanks for joining in on this flight adventure and catch you in the next one.